In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on Shopee in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to online shopping or a seasoned browser looking for some quick tips on using Shopee, this guide is here to assist you every step of the way. First off, head over to the Shopee Philippines website. It's quite user-friendly, so navigating should be a breeze. Once there, the next thing you need to do is log in. You'll see a login button usually at the top right corner of the website. Click on it to proceed. After clicking on the login, you'll be given various options for logging in. For simplicity and speed, click on the Google option. This allows you to sign in using your Google account, which is incredibly handy if you want to skip the hassle of remembering another password. Once you've clicked on Google, a list of your Google accounts will appear. Click on the account you want to use for Shopee, then simply click on Continue to complete the sign-in process, which should seamlessly link your selected Google account to Shopee. Now we dive into the fun part, shopping. On the Shopee homepage, you'll find a search bar. It's your gateway to millions of products, so go ahead and type in whatever item you're looking to buy. Whether it's electronics, clothes, or home goods, just type it in, and you'll be brought to a page filled with options. As you browse through the multitude of items, once you find one that catches your eye, don't hesitate to click on it for more details. Here you can see the product description, reviews from other buyers, and of course the price. Let's say you've made your choice and you're ready to take the plunge. But before you click on buy, take a moment to look over the variations of the item, if there are any. This could be different sizes, colours or models, depending on what you're buying. Select the variation that best fits your needs. Clicking buy feels satisfying, doesn't it? But we're not done yet. After you've added the item to your cart and clicked on buy, you'll need to proceed to checkout. The website will guide you to a summary page where you can review your order, apply any vouchers or discounts, and select your shipping option. Take your time to ensure everything is correct. Happy with your selection? Great. The next step is to click on Place Order. Finally, after clicking on Place Order, you've officially made your purchase on Shopee. All that's left is to eagerly await the arrival of your parcel. Shopping on Shopee is a breeze once you know the steps, and it opens up a vast world of products at your fingertips. Remember to check the reviews and seller ratings to ensure you're buying from reputable sources, and don't hesitate to reach out to sellers if you have questions about their products. Now that you know how to quickly and efficiently place an order on Shopee, happy shopping, and remember the perfect item is just a few clicks away. Thank you for tuning into this guide, and we hope this helps make your online shopping experience even better.